Mang asar nitong NCR, kaso iyak sa dulo. Baterbonia versus Braga, Tagalog laban sa Bisaya. Kinalabaw kagad ni Rene Baterbonia ang 6'8" big man ng NCR. Iwan naman ang lahat dito kay Maki Pellegrino. Nagpaulan ng tres ang mga taga Davao sa Agusan del Sur. Napakainit ng laban na to simula umpisa hanggang dulo. So eto, semifinals na sa palarong pambansa 2026, Davao versus NCR.
Medyo nanliit tingnan itong si Rene against this 6'8" giant Baterbonia. Heavyweights battling it out.
A heavyweight battle underway, and the defense, Baterbonia kontra Braga, inside, and the first basket of the game for the open look from Oraa, knocks down the rebound. Babalik ang Cayetano, that's a three, big time shot to start the game. Pass to Paul Estardante, the hook shot using the left hand. Good. Races down the court. That's wide open from Maki Pellegrino. Poor transition. Athletic play from Rockid and scores.
This is where you miss Rene Baterbonia inside the court.
Finds Orca inside to Okebata. Deep catch and finish. Plenty of time on the shot clock. Bayan Ban. That's a three. Sanoria to the corner. Luwage for three. On the way. Yes, sir. Swings it over. Luwage. That's his second straight three of the quarter. Sanoria. Bayan Ban at the buzzer. Got it! Eighth. Ball knocked loose. Bayan team picks it up. Floater is up and good.
Turn is for him.
Bayan Ban from straight away. Oh my goodness. Baterbonia pops out. He'll try a three. Oh, wow! Even the big guy hit it. Mainting swings it over to Sanoria. Three is good. The 3-point part. Bayan Ban trying to chase him down. Rocket able to pick it up and lays it in.
Flying off the three. Oh, but they mishandled the ball. James Sanoria.
The pass break. He drives and scores. He scored. Ball tapped out. Sanoria. He puts it up and scores. That's a key basket from JM. Full bounce pass. The tip is good from De Los Reyes. What an athletic rebound by Ban. Another one. That's another pass. Sends it over to Bayenting. Another one. That's a three-pointer for Raisus Bayenting. It's knocked away. Able to find Sanoria and gets it to fall. The kick out. Quick release. And gets the bounce from court. Pascual, quick shot. Knocks down a three. 12-point game. Ching up against Okibata, Bayenting. From the foul line. And gets the... Able to pick it up and lays it in. In this second quarter. Braga with a deep catch. And gets the hook shot. Able to trim. On the dime. Got it. Hard and soft in the corner. De Los Reyes has to fire away and nails the jumper. Pascual inside to De Los Reyes against Baterbonia. The hook shot is good. To Oraa. He'll try a three and knocks it down. Big top. Grino passes it off to Baterbonia. Gets it right back. Scores and one. That's a big putback from Rene Baterbonia. Finds Pascual from top of the key for three. That's a big time hit from Pascual. Has to make a shot. Luwage at the buzzer. Good!
Rises Bayenting make.
Finds Braga underneath against Baterbonia. Nice post play. And the deuce. Bayan Ban. He turns around. Jumper's good. Rocket. Babalik ang Braga. This time he'll shoot from the foul line and hits it. A breakout performance. Makes his move off the crossover. Now a post up. He puts it up. And gets the roll. Big shot from off the crossover. And lays it in. Up. Baterbonia. Goes closer. Reverse is up and in. Rene Baterbonia. That's Orca. Fires. Hits it. Contra Braga. He puts it up and in. Big challenge Braga. Bayan Ban. Three is good. Oh my.
Big time three there by Aaron.